Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see your Steam password. Let's get started. First, open a web browser you'll normally use to sign in to your Steam. Then for example, you might be using Google Chrome, but this method works for most browsers. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner of your browser, then select password and autofill and open Google Password Manager. This section stores the saved password from websites you have logged in. At the top, use the search bar and type Steam. If your Steam login was saved, it will appear it in the list. Click on the Steam account entry. Next, click the eye icon next to the password for security. Then, your computer may ask for the device login password. Once you enter it, your Steam password will be revealed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.